Hello, my name's Rasha Al-Lamee. I'm from Imperial College in London. I'm one of the deputy editors at JACC and also on the programme committee of TCT. Speaking to you today from San Francisco towards the end of a fabulous conference in 2025. And we just wanted to recap on some of the highlights. So this has really been the year of coronary trials. We've seen lots and lots of data on what we should be doing in the cath lab, much more focused on the coronary space, but also with some very important structural trials. In terms of the focus, I think the trial that people will be talking about for months to come is SELUTION and the place of DCB in DeNovo lesions. It's been very interesting because it showed that the DCB was relatively safe with relatively good outcomes. We obviously haven't seen all the granularity of the data yet, and we'll see more of that in the months to come and be able to dissect it and see how it might influence our practice. The other trial I'd like to focus on is the PROCTOR trial. That was presented here at TCT and simultaneously published in JACC, a trial that I think will be controversial and lots of people will discuss. A European trial in which they took patients with saphenous vein graft failure and randomised them to either have PCI to the native vessel or to the saphenous vein graft. And interestingly, and different perhaps to some of the data sets that we've been told about in the past, which have all been observational, what they found was that the PCI to the SVG was associated with better outcomes than PCI to the native vessel. That, again, I'm sure will spark off lots of debate. There'll be a conversation as to what we should do next and how we should tackle these patients who are very complex and come to our cath labs very frequently. But importantly, what I'd say to round up from this year in TCT is that the meeting has had some fantastic energy. We've really enjoyed our time in San Francisco. There's been over 11,000 delegates and the halls have really felt full. Thank you very much to the organisers of TCT and those at CRF who put on a fantastic meeting, and we're all really looking forward to coming back in 2026 to San Diego.